kids! Welcome to Genius Playhouse!
Hello my dear friends, here I have a treasure box with so many domestic animals. Let's wash one by one and take it to the farm. Here goes first animal and it's a horse. Next animal that I have is a dog. Dog is a friendly animal. It loves to protect us and it's very loyal animal. Let's wash dog. Next animal for today is a duck. Duck says quack quack and it's a farm animal. Let's wash our duck. Here goes duck. Next animal is my favorite animal. It's a cow. It gives us milk and cow says moo. Washy, washy, washy. Here goes cow. Next is another giant cow. It's a mother cow. Let's wash the mother cow and let it go with its baby. Next is a rooster. Rooster is also a farm animal and it loves to eat grains. Let's wash rooster. It says cock-a-doodle-doo. Next animal is a sheep. It's become so dirty. It needs a quick rinse. Let's wash sheep. The last farm animal is a goat. Goat gives us milk and meat. Let's wash goat. We have washed all the farm animals. Let's wash it and take it to the farm. Our farm animals are happy here. Take care, friends. See you back soon. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe Genius Playhouse.